Let us look at one more example, right? So this is about string manipulation. And what we are doing is we have an email ID. It's a dummy email ID called jovialcan@anymail.com. I don't know if anyone uses it, but I'm assuming that nobody uses it. So this email ID, what we want to do is we want to extract the name jovial and convert it into uppercase. Okay, and to do that we have this long line of code you see, right? So there's a string underscore split function, and then there's a string underscore sub function, and there's a string underscore upper function. Okay, and finally it does return the name jovial in uppercase. Now we will do the same using pipe operators, and we'll see that the code will be easier to read, right? So the steps to do this is that you'll first split the email ID at the point at, right? So that will separate the name, that is username, from the domain @anymail.com, and then you will take the username and extract the first 6 letters, which are jovial. Okay, and that is done using the string underscore sub function. Splitting the email ID at the point at is done using the string underscore split function, and splitting and then extracting the first 6 letters is done using the string underscore sub function, and converting it into uppercase is done using the string underscore to underscore upper function, right? So that is the step, and we'll now do that using pipe operator. So